Cocaine, Molly, doper than them other hoes. Shit, but that's just on another note.
Hey, we just got to Draper Skatepark. Yeah, Draper Skatepark. We're meeting the homie Noah here. We're having a little morning skate session. I'm stoked. K-Dog can't make it, but he said let's ride some mountain bikes later. So I got my morning brew. It's gonna be a good day. We never really take the normal entrance when we come here. We always just kind of go through the gate. A little shorter, we don't have to walk around. It's kind of funny because the state has never fixed that in like 15 years, and I think it's just known that that's the entrance you go through. Yo, Noah!
What is up?
Hey! Gangster. So you guys probably recognize Noah from snowboarding season. We're gonna shred a bunch. We got a lot of plans in store for you guys. We're bringing the whole racing drone aspect to snowboarding. Doing a lot of backcountry stuff, a lot of split boarding, but today we're at Draper Skate Park. We're gonna fuck around, do some fuckery. We brought this little guy, which we normally film with snowboarding. So, got a GoPro Karma onto a stick so I can throw it into his face. But Noah's smarter than me. He brought the speakers, so we got music, good vibes. No one's here. We got the whole park to ourselves, so let's start shredding. Ow!
Camera's down, dude. You good, bro? You good? Yeah. Oh. Yeah, boy. Ow!
All right. Out here for the boys.
Fixing the property of this skate park so hard right now.
Noah, are you gonna jump over that?
Oh yeah, dude.
No, should we go surfing, dude?
I think we should go surfing.
If we're going surfing, you need your board, bro.
Guess I'm grabbing the board.
Grab the board. That may be a wrap on skating today at Draper Skate Park. Noah was throwing down. I tried to get a few tricks. I was trying to go surfing. I forgot my floaties. It was a big mess. We're just gonna forget about it. But good job today, Noah. I'm gonna go meet up with K-Dog at Ice Street. We're gonna go ride some e-bikes and just go mess around. This is kind of a chill vlog. We're not really doing anything too crazy. We got some really cool stuff in the works for you guys. We're gonna start something new that's called the Contraption of the Month, which is where we want to hear your guys' input on what you want us to build, create, and try. And we're gonna bring it to the skate park, up snowboarding, the bike park, kind of just do a little bit of everything. So we already have a few contraptions built to start making some videos on, but if you guys want to see anything specific, let us know. And shit, I know we're excited for the snowboard season. There's a lot of crazy cool stuff coming. Oh, we got some merch dropping in a few weeks, so shit. I don't know, I think that's about it.
Oh, dude, it's gonna be a good season.
All right, let's head out to Ice Street and see you around now. Should have brought beers, Curtis says. Nothing new, nothing's changed. Hype crew, what's up? We're at Ice Street. We got K-Dog here.
We're here doing it.
It's like our local park we go to. Kind of has the best jumps in Utah.
That's why we here.
We're riding e-bikes. Shout out Fazari. It's going down. All right, so we're just gonna kind of fuck around here and jump around. We brought the GoPros, brought the 1DX. We don't really have a plan. We're just gonna try to create something cool for you guys. Phew. Is it slow or fast?
Oh no, I haven't hit it yet. Getting the camera involved. Oh, too fast. Nope. Woo!
favorite jump. Hope I got that.
Yeah, what's your name?
Weston.
All right, so Weston just overheard us and we said we didn't have any beer, but he has White Claws. White Claws, no laws, so.
No loss, baby.
Phew.
Weston for the win!
Weston for the win, dude. I felt bad. We just showed up here. He was already watering the jumps.
We gotta give another shout
And then
out.
brings us alcohol. Like, shout out to Weston.
You know, keep the jumps hydrated. Oh,
Keep us hydrated.
You're keeping everyone hydrated. I'm in your rear tire. Woo! Where you going? Where you going? Tree, squirrel. Come on, dude. Come right here. Oh. We kissed him.